Welcome. I'm super excited you're here with me today. My name is Cindy, and I empower career changers and those returning to the workforce to find amazing jobs that match their current why. Okay, today is part one of a four-part series all about getting started in the job search. Yep, let's come along. I'm going to talk you through every step of the way with actionable steps. So first off, I want you to realize that most people in this world, except in certain professions, don't stay at the same job forever. They move laterally, they move vertically, they go to different companies, they look for other opportunities. So first off, I don't ever want you to feel guilty or bad about looking for another job and wanting to do something different for yourself, right? We want different things at different stages of our lives. We change, our lives change. The world has changed, right? The trajectory of what work looks like is very different now than it was, let's say, before approximately March of 2020. Right? So, what you want, what your needs are not the same, and that's okay. You are absolutely able to take care of yourself, your needs, your family, and look for something that's amazing. And you can do this. 100% you can do this. So don't ever have any doubts about if you can do another job. It's just a matter of understanding what the job market is and how to go about doing it. Gone are the days when you could, just walk into an office, hand somebody your resume, get dressed nicely, walk in, and they give you a job, right? Things are done online. We have an applicant tracking system. There are hundreds and hundreds of people applying for every job, so the competition is higher. The remote jobs also increases the competition because many of the jobs are, let's say, US national. So instead of people that just have to live within a 30-mile radius of that company, anybody could apply for that job. Okay, so that is going to change things. That also, by the way, increases opportunities for people that live in small towns and places where there aren't a lot of companies and businesses. Okay, so here's where you're going to start. Rather than saying, okay, it's Monday, I want to start looking for another job, let me put my resume together. Take a step back. It's Monday, I want to start looking for another job. Let me start looking at what I want to do. Yeah, start there because your resume needs to be targeted to the jobs that you're applying for. I promise you, this is how you do it. Having one of those cookie cutter resumes, having resumes that have lots of job titles on it or are vague or trying to reach everybody is not going to get you the job. Okay, I've been doing this for a long time. I've been doing this for 10 years. I've helped over 700 people. I have clients with PhDs and double masters, clients with high school diplomas, and everything in between. This is what you need to do. So you're going to figure out ideas of what you're interested in. And it doesn't have to be one. I'll say that again. It doesn't have to be one. Okay. My clients wind up finding jobs in multiple areas. And wouldn't you love to be in a position to choose? I know you would, right? The concept of choosing just one place is so daunting and overwhelming. I have clients that are interviewing for and getting offers for, project manager and business analyst. Okay. Customer success and career and curriculum writing and instructional design. Okay. Editor and social media manager. Okay. Nonprofits and corporate jobs all at the same time. Yes, absolutely. So what I want you to do is take and put into the job search engines, put in what you're good at, put in skills, put in things that you like to do, put in computer programs that you use. Like if you use Articulate 360, put Articulate 360 into the job search engine and see what comes up. Start looking for jobs this way and broaden your horizon of the kind of jobs that you're going to be applying to, the things that are interesting to you. right? We haven't worked on the resume yet. We're just getting ideas of types of jobs. Okay. We're never going to start working on a resume until we have a job posting in front of us, because then we know what we need to do. Okay. So you're starting to look. And I don't want you to just think about, well, what kind of jobs could project managers do? Or what kind of jobs could advertisers do? Or what kind of jobs could transitioning teachers do? It's what kind of job could you do? Right? Where are you better than all these other people? How do you stand out from all these other people? That's what you're looking for. That's what is good. You are honestly competing with the other people that were your colleagues at those same companies. So it's not why you're the same as everybody. You know, if I'm a hiring manager, I'm not hiring you because you're a transitioning teacher. I'm hiring you because of all the great skills that you personally offer. You are not the same as every other transitioning teacher. So keep that in mind. Okay. Now, while you're starting to look at all these jobs, there's other little things that you can do about the job search that's going to help you out before we even get started with that resume. Number one, stay quiet. Don't post your fears. Don't post your concerns. Don't post how nervous you are. Don't post any of these things online. Okay. Your doubts, your fears that nobody will hire you. This is not going to help you get the job because employers are looking at it. Employers are reading it. Okay. Take a little time to set up your LinkedIn profile. Um, It'll be much easier after you have a resume, but there are certainly things that you can do up front. First off, put in a really good profile picture. Not a selfie from the car, not a careless picture taken of you with a lot of clutter and things in the background. You're moving to another position. Look at how the image, how that makes a difference for how we're perceived. Okay, you are trying to convince somebody you are the right person. Put in a good profile picture. Okay, come up with a good headline, which is not former this or transitioning that, but something strong. It can be a small sentence. It could be a couple of job titles like program coordinator, project manager, learning development specialist, separated by lines. Put in something strong about who you are. This is your marketing. This is about you. It's all positive. Everything that you're putting out there is positive. Okay. So I want you to start looking at those jobs. I want you to go fix that LinkedIn profile picture. And we're going to reconvene next week and we're going to start to talk about what you're doing with that resume in that beginning of your job search. If you want more and you're excited to get started earlier, I have tons of videos on my YouTube channel. There's a 3-part video series all about your LinkedIn profile. There's a 3-part series all about job search rejections, which starts right with your resume and cover letter, and almost 100 other videos. So there's lots out there to help you and support you. And if you'd like more support, hey, why don't we book a free discovery call? Let's have a 45-minute conversation to talk about how I can help you with this daunting project of finding another job. That's what I do. Okay. I hope you found this super helpful. Like it, tag people who need to see it. Have a super productive week, and I'll catch you the next time. Oh, yeah. Always remember you're a warrior. Bye-bye.